students, how are you all? Good? Yes. So, welcome back to your English class for class 5th. Before starting today's class, let me just ask you, have you made the video while reciting poem? Many of you have not made, no? Yes. So, now I am telling you for the last time, okay, that you have to make a video while reciting the poem and send it to me within 2 days. Okay? Yes. So now come back to our today's class. In today's class, we'll be studying the grammar part. Which part? Grammar part. In previous class, we have ended the first lesson of our English reader part. Okay? So today in English grammar, we have our first topic, which is sentence. Okay? So students, as we hear the word sentence, what is the first thing that come in our mind? Yes, that is, what is a sentence, or how do we define a sentence? How? Let us just see. A sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense, conveys a clear meaning, and express a complete thought. Okay, let me just repeat it for you guys. A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense, conveys a clear meaning, and express a complete thought. Okay, so क्या क्या चीज़ें होनी चाहिए for a sentence? That it has to have a group of words, have complete sense, conveys a clear message, and express a complete thought. Okay, now for understanding it in a better way, let us just see the first example. That is, food good, loves, healthy, and everyone. Now, this is a group of words. It is? Yes, it is. Does it make any sense? Does it convey a clear meaning? No, it doesn't. Okay, now let us just look at the second sentence. Everyone loves good and healthy food. Now this is a proper sentence. It conveys a clear meaning, gives a message, and express a complete thought. Okay? You get this? Yes. Now, there are some rules which you should remember while writing a sentence, in which the first rule is the first word or a letter of a sentence must begin with a capital letter. Which letter? Capital letter. See, like this. It is the starting of a sentence and it is in a capital letter. Here also. So you have to remember this. While writing a sentence, the first letter of a sentence has to be capital. Okay? Yes. Now, the rule number 2. The sentence must end with a full stop, this one, a question mark, this one, or an exclamation mark, this one, as required. First is that you have to have a first letter has to be capital. Second is at the end of every sentence it has to end with either a full stop, either a question mark, or an exclamation mark as per required. Okay? Yes. Now let us just see the types of sentence. Okay, there are 4 types of sentences. How many? Yes, 4. Number 1 is assertive sentence. Number 2 is interrogative sentence. Number 3, imperative sentence. Number 4, exclamatory sentence. There are 4 types of sentences, which are assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. Okay? In today's class, we'll see the 2 types of sentences, which are assertive sentence and interrogative sentence. Okay? Now, let us just see which type of sentence. Yes, assertive sentence first. What is an assertive sentence? A sentence that says or states something is called assertive sentence. Means a sentence which has a statement or which says something is called an assertive sentence. Okay? It can be negative or positive. It can be either negative, means the nature of a sentence can be negative, or positive. Okay? It begins with a capital letter. This rule we know now. We have just now studied that while writing a sentence, it has to begin with a capital letter. Next, and ends with a full stop. If the sentence is an assertive sentence, then it will end with an full stop. Okay? It is also called as a declarative sentence because there is no difference between assertion or declaration. Both are same or both are statement. Okay? So, assertive sentence is also called as declarative sentence. Okay? Now, let us just see the example. I love old song. In this, the person is saying that he loves old song. He says. That is the first thing now we have learned, that a sentence that says, और इसमें जो person है वो कुछ बोल रहा है, that means he says. So it is an assertive sentence. Now next question, next example. I don't like this. Now first see this one, don't. यहाँ पर होने के कारण ये कौन सा सेंटेंस हो गया है? नेगेटिव सेंटेंस, नेगेटिव असर्टिव सेंटेंस. ओके, तो यहाँ पर वो क्या स्टेटमेंट दे रहा है कि उसे झूठे लोग पसंद नहीं है. वो एक डिक्लेयर कर रहा है या वो स्टेटमेंट दे रहा है. सो ये किसके एग्जाम क्या हो गए? नेगेटिव असर्टिव सेंटेंस. एंड या सी वन मोर थिंग, दैट बोथ द सेंटेंस स्टार्टेड विथ अ कैपिटल लेटर एंड एंडेड विथ अ फुल स्टॉप, है ना? बिकॉज इट इज एन assertive sentence. Okay, now let us just see the interrogative sentence. What is an interrogative sentence? Let us just see. A sentence that asks a question is called an interrogative sentence. When you ask a question to somebody, that question, which type of sentence it is? It was an interrogative sentence. Remember it always. When you ask something, then what type of sentence it was? It was a interrogative sentence, or it will always be an interrogative sentence because you are asking a question. Okay, when you ask a question, it is an interrogative sentence. Okay, it begins with a capital letter and end with a question mark. This one is very important. So this to one, first one, so we know that every sentence has to start with what? a capital letter, है ना. And if the sentence is an interrogative sentence, then it will end with an question mark. Like in assertive sentence, it always end with a full stop. In interrogative sentence, it will end with a question mark. Okay. Now let us just see the examples. When are you coming to Delhi? In this, the person is asking that when is he coming to Delhi? मतलब वो पूछ रहा है कि आप दिल्ली कब आओगे. He is asking question. That's why see, their first letter is capital and it ended with a question mark. So it is an interrogative sentence, and क्योंकि वो पूछ रहा है, because he is asking, that's why it's become an interrogative sentence. What is your name? कोई आपसे आपका नाम पूछ रहा है. Someone is asking your name. So asking means interrogative sentence. Okay? Am I late? This is also an interrogative sentences. Why? Because he is asking. If there will be anyone who is asking you something, it will be what? An interrogative sentence. Okay? I hope all of you must have understood these things. If not, don't worry, you can ask me. Okay? And yeah, I'll be sending you the PDF of notes, and there will be an homework for you guys. You have to do it properly. Okay? So, till next class, stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. Bye-bye.